Hadian banakaliang MDC jongka Kongres na Laimkra constituency uba Frantin Joseph Lakadong ularai ban ino ika SENG Kongres bad ban penyaso no yaladi bad ka SENG NPP nakaliang kanong yalam jongka SENG Kongres Legislative Party ka kong Ampareen lingdo kalaong banakaliang jongka kandang yai peteng bandan HAKA Party Kongres bad yakarai bakandang peteng lani kan ino ika SENG Kongres kan sashim ondalakut kani ka samoy trekam kum ka MLA na ka party. Halor karai boba Frantin ulashim ban ino ika SENG Congress badon penyaso no iladi baka SENG National People Party ka kong Ampareen kalaong baka day karai ka jongu kum MDC harangkat kinong kersan jongu barkam kwa ban muslia IAI halor kani karai. Kakong Ampareen kaloong day banyadon bentalang hakanu kanu karai kabala shim haka council haka bau ba Frantin ula banyo ka jingmentoy na kabenta ka constituency lada mau ba kinong kersan kila shim ya karai baki kwa ban penyaso baka SENG NPP na kabenta ka jingmentoy ka constituency kabakan omla ban muslia ya kata.
I know that this may sound or come as a big surprise to my detractors, but such has become politics in this country. Where is there political stability in this nation? Can you see any of that stability? Leaders are all confused. Leaders are searching for the correct platform. I will continue to try to put my house in order, and I hope that in the remaining few months of my tenure as an MLA from the Congress Party representing the people of 16 East Shillong will unveil itself, will show me the way, and the leadership of my party becomes the only guiding factor in order for all of us to be able to serve the people through the platform of the Congress. I cannot control the politics around me, but I can definitely profess my intent to complete my tenure as a legislator of the Indian National Congress, as that was my platform when I fought elections 2018. See, it is not a rumor that my MDC has taken a unanimous decision with his supporters to join the NPP in the district council. I feel that I should not disrupt the leadership that I see growing very steadily in our MDC, irrespective of the fact that I am his wife. He should not suffer because of the pulls and pushes of politics in his first term as an MDC. He should be a part of decision taking in the council. He should also get as much benefit for the people of his constituency, which is by and large still very underdeveloped. If my MDC, along with his supporters, have placed their arguments in favor of him joining the NPP in the interest of his constituency, I will not disrupt that leadership that I see in him. As far as I am concerned, we should not forget that I was elected as MLA to 16 East Shillong constituency for the 4th time. I am a member of the Indian National Congress. All of that remains. What is the fate of my membership in the Congress? I will decide as and when the political uncertainty in the state of Meghalaya stabilizes. Right now, I remain to be the CLP of the Congress Party in the Legislative Assembly. I remain to be the appointed working president of the party. I have to detach myself from all of this confusion and remember that I represent the people of 16 East Shillong constituency.